Hi there, this is Jackie Jones, founder and CEO of Way We Do. If you have ever read the book Traction by Gino Wickman from the Entrepreneurial Operating System, you may have heard about the Vision Traction Organizer. The Vision Traction Organizer is an annual plan that you and your team can use to plan your goals and objectives for the year, as well as all the action items that you need to implement in order to achieve those goals for the next 12 months. So in Way We Do, we have created an activated checklist that will assist business owners and their teams to use and follow and complete the Vision Traction Organizer. This tool can be used in conjunction with an EOS Implementer, or if you simply want to do it yourself by reading the book and even some of the instructions that we have in the activated checklist here, you are welcome to do that. So in Way We Do, which is a business process planning and management and workflow tool, we have created a process for the Vision Traction Organizer. And we have the first step being downloading the template for you to complete as you're going through that particular process, and then the different sections of the organizer itself. So the PDF and the Word document that comes from EOS is a 2-page document, and it's split into 2 sections. So the first page focuses upon the vision, and then the second page focuses upon the traction. So all the items and action points that you need to implement to achieve your goals and the vision that you have set for the business. So with the activated checklist, you can run an instance of it. And obviously with an annual plan, as the name implies, it is to be done on an annual basis. So you can run this at the beginning of the year in January. But what we recommend is that you actually go through the annual planning process at least 1 to 3 months prior to the new year starting. And the new year can be at any time for you. So yes, it could be January, or it could be at the beginning of your tax year, or another month that is suitable for you and your team. So you create the rules. You decide when your work calendar year is for your business and organization. So with the activated checklist, so when you create your master process, you have steps of the process listed here. And then on the right-hand side, you have instructions. And so you would create your template or your process once. So you create a master process. And from there, you would run multiple instances of it. So every year, this process will run. And you can either run the process manually, or you can set up an automated schedule so it simply just runs automatically annually. And so I'm going to show you how to run it manually for now. So you simply click the Run Checklist button, and then you can enter in a title. So the title for an annual plan could actually be a year. So year after year, you would type in the current year or the way that you want to name your calendar year for your annual plan. So in this case, I'm going to put 2019 and click confirm. So the activated checklist is now activated. You can invite other people to participate in the process with you. And the EOS Vision Traction Organizer, it is designed to be done in an offsite meeting, which is usually between 1 to 2 days. And you can involve your whole team. And this process can also be done in conjunction with an EOS Implementer, or if you choose to do this yourself by reading the Traction book and other materials from EOS, and even with assistance from the workflow tool here from Way We Do, it will help you to achieve the completion of your annual plan. So on the right-hand side, when the checklist is activated, you have the ability to tick steps off, and you can leave notes. So, so the first step of this process is to download the EOS Vision Traction Organizer, which is in a Word document. So I have already opened that, and this is what it looks like. So we have the first page, and then the second page is simply focusing on the traction and all the action points. Okay, so once you have downloaded that document, you simply then tick it off. And when you tick items off and when you add comments and attach documents, for example, and photos in the comments area here, we are recording the time and date stamp of when the team or when that item is being completed by that particular person. Okay, let's go to the first section, and the first step there is identify your core values. So your core values define who you are as a business, and it helps you to seek out and surround yourself with more of the right type of people and the people that you want to attract into your business. So the template has space for 5 core values, and you simply discuss that within your team. And this sounds like a really simple exercise. Okay, let's just list 5 values, but to really highlight and hone in to the values that relate to your specific business, it may take some time to do that. And so that's a really good talking point with your team. It may take you an hour, 2 hours, or a number of hours to hash all of those out. So if you need assistance, bring in an EOS implementer or another business coach to assist you in that process. When you have done that, you simply enter in your values. So so you can actually add some notes here. So as in your 1 to 2 day offsite planning, you can have all your team involved in this process, and they can simply leave comments. So maybe one of your values is honesty. Maybe another one is excellence. And you can also have descriptions describing, what those values actually mean, so that people can understand what they are. And when you complete that step, you tick it off. Next is building your core focus. So this is it's basically defining your why. So if you have ever read or watched the Simon Sinek videos from TED and other materials, that's a really good explanation about the why and the reason why you're running your business. And with EOS, they take that a step further, which is not just your why, but also your what. So what are you focusing on, and why? Again, that may take some time for you to work that out with your team. And once you write all your notes in here, then you complete that item, then you tick that off as being complete. And so from there, you simply go through the rest of the process, which is simply going through your 10-year target. So I'll just tick that item off. Next is outlining your marketing strategy, which includes creating a list of your target markets and defining a unique selling proposition. So what makes your business unique, and clarifying any proven processes in your business, and listing a guarantee or a promise that you make to your customers. The next step is defining your 3-year picture. And so it helps you to define your vision into medium to long-term goals. And so from there, you can start to write 5 to 15 descriptions of what your company will look like in 3 years from now. And when you have done that, just click that as being complete. The next item is your 1-year plan. So, which is on the second page of the organizer. So I'll just bring that up. So your 1-year plan. So simply adding your future date, your revenue, profit, and measurables, and your goals that you would like to achieve for the year. So once you have done that, then you can tick that item off as being complete. Next step is adding your big rocks, and these are the areas that you want to focus on for the next 12 months, or items that you want to do over the next 90 days. So you simply enter notes and then add your final information or your final rocks into the traction organizer. From there, it is also a good idea to list any of the issues that you have for your business. And because the issues, if there are existing issues and they are not being resolved, it will prevent you from completing your 1-year vision and your goals that you have and the big rocks that you want to aim for throughout the year. So tackling and managing your issues as you go throughout the year is very important as well. And so when you have completed that and you've discussed that within your team, which can actually take a number of hours or half a day to do that with your team, once you have finalised those issues, then you can complete that and add that to your actual completed document. So obviously when you complete your process or complete your annual plan, you want to then present that back to your full team and get their feedback on it, and then start setting review dates for reviewing that plan on a regular basis. And EOS has a very highly defined process for managing meetings on a weekly and monthly basis, and quarterly planning reviews as well. Okay, so that's just a quick example of using the activated checklist from Way We Do as part of your repeatable process in the business to create an annual plan using the EOS traction or vision traction organizer. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact the team at Way We Do. You can simply email support@waywedo.com, and you can also visit our website at www.waywedo.com, and you can also visit our support site at support.waywedo.com. And if you would like to have a copy of this particular process, this activated checklist master, contact our team and we can install that into your account when you're a paid subscriber. Have a great day. Bye.